the genius who changed the world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey through the life and mind of one of the most extraordinary individuals in human history, Albert Einstein, a man whose name is synonymous with genius, whose theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe, and whose legacy continues to inspire scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. But who is Albert Einstein, really? Behind the iconic wild hair and the famous equation E equals mc squared lies a story of curiosity, perseverance, and a relentless quest for knowledge. In this video, we'll explore the life of Einstein, from his humble beginnings to his groundbreaking discoveries, his struggles, his triumphs, and the profound impact he left on the world. Whether you're a science enthusiast or simply curious about the man behind the legend, this video will take you deep into the mind of a genius who dared to question the very fabric of reality. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the extraordinary world of Albert Einstein. The life and legacy of Albert Einstein. The early years, a curious mind. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the small town of Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, which is now part of modern-day Germany. From an early age, Einstein displayed an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. Legend has it that at the age of 5, his father showed him a compass, and young Albert was fascinated by the invisible force that guided the needle. This moment sparked a lifelong fascination with the mysteries of the natural world. However, Einstein's early years were not without challenges. He was a late talker, which worried his parents, and he often clashed with the rigid structure of traditional schooling. Einstein found the rote memorization and strict discipline of his school stifling, and he preferred to learn through exploration and independent thought. This rebellious streak would later become a hallmark of his scientific career. At the age of 12, Einstein discovered a book on Euclidean geometry, which he later referred to as his Holy Geometry book. This book ignited his passion for mathematics and science, and he began to teach himself advanced concepts far beyond his years. By the time he was 16, Einstein had already written his first scientific paper, titled The Investigation of the State of Ether in Magnetic Fields. The miracle year, 1905. In 1905, while working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that would forever change the course of physics. This year, often referred to as his Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, marked the beginning of Einstein's rise to scientific prominence. The first paper on the photoelectric effect introduced the revolutionary idea that light could behave as both a wave and a particle. This work laid the foundation for quantum mechanics and earned Einstein the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. The second paper provided a theoretical explanation for Brownian motion, the random movement of particles suspended in a fluid. This paper provided strong evidence for the existence of atoms, which was still a controversial idea at the time. The third paper, on special relativity, introduced the world to the famous equation E equals mc squared, which established a relationship between energy and mass. This theory challenged the long-held Newtonian view of space and time and paved the way for modern physics. The fourth paper, also on special relativity, introduced the concept of the equivalence of mass and energy, further solidifying Einstein's reputation as a visionary thinker. General relativity, a new understanding of gravity. While special relativity was a monumental achievement, Einstein was not content to stop there. He spent the next decade developing his theory of general relativity, which he published in 1915. This theory redefined our understanding of gravity, describing it not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. General relativity made several predictions that were later confirmed through observation, including the bending of light around massive objects, gravitational lensing, and the existence of black holes. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, British astronomer Arthur Eddington observed the bending of starlight around the sun, providing the first experimental evidence for general relativity and catapulting Einstein to international fame. Einstein the humanitarian, beyond science. While Einstein is best known for his scientific contributions, he was also a passionate advocate for social justice, peace, and human rights. He was a vocal critic of war and nationalism, and he used his platform to speak out against injustice. Einstein was a staunch supporter of civil rights in the United States, where he moved in 1933 after fleeing Nazi Germany. He corresponded with civil rights leaders like W.B. Du Bois and spoke out against racism and segregation. He also supported the Zionist movement and advocated for the establishment of a Jewish homeland, although he envisioned it as a place of cultural and intellectual exchange rather than a political state. During World War II, Einstein played a key role in urging President Franklin D. Roosevelt to develop the atomic bomb, fearing that Nazi Germany might develop it first. However, after the war, he became a leading voice in the campaign for nuclear disarmament, warning of the dangers of nuclear weapons and calling for international cooperation to prevent future conflicts. The later years, a legacy of curiosity. In his later years, Einstein continued to work on his unified field theory, an ambitious attempt to unify all the fundamental forces of nature into a single framework. Although he never succeeded in this endeavor, his work laid the groundwork for future generations of physicists. Einstein's later years were also marked by a deep sense of wonder and humility. He often spoke of the beauty and mystery of the universe, and he remained committed to the pursuit of knowledge until the very end. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His brain was preserved for scientific study, and his legacy continues to inspire and challenge us to this day. The enduring legacy of a genius. And so, we come to the end of our journey through the life and mind of Albert Einstein, a man who not only reshaped our understanding of the universe, but also reminded us of the power of curiosity, imagination, and perseverance. Einstein's story is a testament to the idea that greatness is not born, but forged through hard work, determination, and an unyielding desire to explore the unknown. As we reflect on Einstein's legacy, let us remember his words. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Whether you're a scientist, a student, or simply someone who marvels at the wonders of the universe, Einstein's life serves as a powerful reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is one of the most noble and rewarding endeavors we can undertake. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Albert Einstein's extraordinary life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about the people and ideas that have shaped our world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the answers to life's greatest mysteries. Goodbye, and may your curiosity lead you to new horizons.